Where is the flash?
Wait, I don't know what to say.
Welcome back to another video. Banger!
Wait, no, go back in the snow.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Today, we're gonna be surviving the worst snowstorm in New Jersey. Alright, let's go.
Wait, no.
There's no one like you around, oh baby. I really like.
Okay, guys, do you see Angi?
Oh no. Oh, there we go. Michael looks so aesthetic.
I feel aesthetic.
The first step is get Starbucks. So
Oh,
I
no.
got an ice white mocha with sweet cream, cold foam, and caramel drizzle, and you could get whipped cream. I would have said light ice, but I got a little shy because I just wanted to get out of there. My anxiety was a little high, but
Yeah.
and then my sister wanted to copy me.
Yeah,
She
because
got
it was
me.
low key good. Ah! You just flashed everybody. Okay, guys. So next step to surviving a snowstorm is, what is it? I don't know. I've never.
Go get supplies.
Oh.
Jasmine.
Okay.
Our priorities are not straight. You can tell. My priorities are straight. I don't know who
Nah.
wanted Starbucks.
Anyways.
Open the door twice.
Like, who says go get Starbucks
said
during a
that.
snowstorm? Don't you see it snowing?
You said
Look at the
I guess
snow.
we get.
Alright, thanks.
Can we get makeup too?
You die. Why we need makeup in a snowstorm?
Okay, guys. So we made it to Walmart, and there's panties here in the background.
There's panties in the background.
Actually, why did we pick this section? I don't know. We made it to Walmart, and I think we're gonna die. What do you think?
Yeah. We're at Walmart.
Since you're not excited enough, we're gonna go into Walmart. We're gonna go shopping for the big snowstorm that's about to happen.
Bro, what the fuck is this? Is it a big? Bro thinks
Alright,
this
guys.
is his video.
So, stuff we're gonna need. We're gonna need some blankets
Okay, just.
and maids.
We're gonna need cookies for
And then
dessert.
we're not gonna need any
Bruh.
more stuff. Follow me.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Can we do the 100
Yeah, we're supposed to be surviving.
chicken nuggets?
Like, this is a.
Can we do a 100 nugget challenge?
We can.
Four of us? I think it's like
Yes.
That's my word.
200 nugget challenge.
I don't like chicken nuggets.
I like chicken nuggets.
You're gonna have to eat them.
We gotta get a.
Can we cheat?
Guys,
What?
we're also.
Can I like put them in my bag?
For endurance, okay? I don't know what it is, but we're gonna.
We don't need that shit, man.
Bro got the blanket. No one bought a shopping cart.
Because we're gonna get bored. We're gonna play games.
No, we're gonna play some cricket.
And your deer needs to relax on the head sometimes.
Chill, mamas. Mamas. Yo, mamas.
Oh, mommy said to look for water.
Oh, let's go. Let's go to the water aisle.
These days.
I used to love swimming.
Mamas, mamas, mamas.
The squishing,
What?
all the squishing.
I don't say mamas.
You did. I remember.
Yeah.
I say it like in the Spanish way.
This was my.
Say
What's up,
it.
mamas?
Uh,
Yo, ma.
are you pushing or am I pushing?
Oh, you're pushing.
Nice, nice guys. Guys don't even know how to control a steering cart.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy yours.
I'm on the way. Hey, hey.
So the first thing you do when you're in a snowstorm is you get snacks because you need to survive. So that's our snack. That's our snack. We're on a
We
diet
got
this year.
cookies.
We decided to stick on the healthy side.
That's not healthy.
That's pretty healthy, guys.
You got my children.
Kids these days.
No.
Oh my god.
You need
Is this the right
breakfast.
aisle?
Breakfast? What happened to like the shelter? My fault for asking about where we're gonna go.
Cookies or cereal? Should I get both?
I think I'm a both.
Wait,
Comment down below.
comment down below if you should get cookies or cereal.
But what are these? Trash.
These are amazing. We said healthy over here.
Wait, actually, which one is the one? That one, that one. I think it's more expensive.
Recorded?
Nah, I'm around you, shawty.
See, unlike them, I'm more of a granola girl.
You don't even know what those are.
I'm allergic to most of them.
Those are so good.
I don't even know broken ingredients.
I am. Don't worry, girl.
I get to push.
Nice.
We're gonna get demonetized now.
You definitely
She
are.
said the fuck word.
You know, we can hear you through the video.
Sorry, mamas.
Yo, these are so good too.
Yo, those be
Real
these.
cream pie.
I 100% recommend.
The double stuff ones.
Yo, these be hitting, bro.
I really do.
These. I had money, I would buy. Me and Michael are broke. We together. When I'm around you, shawty.
I wanna feel you. Oh my god. It's boba.
So the second step is you need pistachio nut butter.
Why do you need pistachio nut butter, bro?
Dubai chocolate.
Oh no.
That's the wall.
Oh, wait, I wasn't supposed to. I just got the joke.
No, I wasn't trying to make a joke like that.
Wait, like
He said past the wall.
There's no joke.
The border?
maybe? Wait, like Attack on Titan? Shawty. Shut.
Guys.
They call me monster because I'm a monster.
Snowstorm water.
You can get it?
Independent woman over here.
Alright, lift it. Oh, wow. Nice. Nice, man.
Never needed a man.
Look like you're crying.
Don't pass that. I'm getting the water. Okay, cut that out. We got water.
We're not cutting that out. Huh?
We forgot to record though.
Oh, wow. Nice. No, it didn't.
So, just know we got water.
I didn't saw the whole thing.
Okay, now we need chips. Snacks.
How's it sound?
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't really want chips. Does anyone want chips?
Yo, bro, keep pushing, man. I don't know about one chips, man.
Can we go to the toy section?
You're in college. What do you mean? What do you mean, little girl, man? You're in college.
I just want you to know who I am. What's up?
She's in college, by the way.
What is this?
It's me and you.
Why does it have like actual teeth?
Because it's a can.
That's creepy.
I want it. Yeah.
Right here?
It was fuck at first sight. What?
Say it again. Let's hope the camera caught it.
It was fog at first sight. Oh my god, it has a ring. It has a wedding ring.
No,
Yo,
duh. It's
teeth
wedding
on
day,
it.
chat.
This guy's an idiot.
Look at the wing. I can't see.
The wait.
I can't speak on it.
This.
To stay
Can you give me that?
educated,
You mean entertained?
entertained, and educated because during a snowstorm you don't really go to school. You know they cancel school, and you're gonna be home bored on your phone all day, and it's like, you know.
You're so disgusting. Say excuse me, little nigger. Go.
Yeah, we're gonna throw football.
Ow!
And what are we gonna do to stay active?
If you don't, who doesn't work out? It's 2026, bruh.
Mm-hmm. Wait, you don't work out?
Get your fitness up. Like, I be doing this every day.
No, you don't. Why are you lying to the people?
Like, I literally Pilates, yoga. That's me.
Pilates. When have you ever did Pilates?
Why does that thing? Nah, I don't really be working out for real, but yeah. So work out.
Up in the big 20s.
Yes.
The big 2-6, man.
Just started 20 days ago. 23, 24 days ago.
We don't want to be fat no more, man. We want the 6-pack abs, man.
If you're on the bigger side, it's okay. So 2026, I'm starting my fitness journey, and if I'm gonna start it, you guys should. I'll be wrestling for real. Soccer?
Man.
I'm not. I lied. I need to stop lying. I don't wrestle. I don't football. I don't basketball. I don't work out. But soccer?
Nice,
One thing about soccer is I would be at that game.
What the hell? What in the world? We're not even at the toy section.
Oh, sorry?
We've been here for like 30 minutes.
Like, who'll be boxing in 2026, bruh? Like, why? Like, everyone should be like, everyone should know how to fight. If you don't know how to fight, what are you doing there?
Yeah, I know. No, you.
Thing to do.
Let me lock it.
You'll say you love me, and I'll end up lying. You say I love
Said
you
you
too.
belong to the streets, but the streets.
Bro, put on music.
Let's go.
Go on.
We're in the toy section. I don't know why. Why'd you want to come to the section?
Because I wanted to see the LPS.
So we're going to the toy section. Oh. We're going to the toy section because we want LPS. I'm scared.
Why are you scared? Oh, he did? I was trying to adjust this. Okay, guys. So I'm currently... Girl, I don't know.
Wanna be in here?
So cry if you need to, but I know it's scared to watch it. It's the wrong thing to do. Whoa, wow, wow, wow.
Just say you love.
Oh my! Oh, ew.
Oh my goodness!
Why are they kind of chopped?
So,
Why are they kind of chopped?
LPS.
Try to run it back another time. The city's yours, but the world is yours, but the city's mine. I can't believe you put that on your mother's lie.
Bro thinks he's in an edit. Oh my god. Holy.
Bro, my body hurts.
So we got money for
You're
real. We got money.
cramped up in a little seat.
We got
Home to me.
we got money like that. So we're gonna buy.
My fault.
We're gonna buy
all of them?
all of them.
Oh, we are? Really?
Yes.
Like for realsies?
Yeah. We got money.
Oh, I thought you were gonna be like, okay,
Yeah, but
go, let's go again, let's
I
go
don't
again.
know what hand. So we got money like that. So we're gonna be buying every single LPS and giving it out.
What?
I thought it was food.
What?
So that was a good.
What are you talking about?
Guys, I'm like gonna go to bed.
What?
She's very tired.
What'd you do today?
Today, woke up at 1. I woke up at 8, stayed in bed for 2 hours more, and then I went back to bed and I woke up at 1. Then I went back to my bed and I did my hair. And I went back to bed and then I went and did my makeup. And then I went back to bed. And this is what I'm wearing. Pretty little things. Yellow sweatpants. This top from Shein. This, I don't know. I think it's my BS sweater.
Oh, for real?
What? My day? I woke up at 4. I showered. I was in a game. I was helping my mom with some stuff. Helping the house, clean the house.
What time did you wake up?
At like 4.
PM?
Yeah.
I thought I was bad.
Is it my turn?
And then I was waiting for these kids.
I woke up 8:05, got ready, drove to my college because we had a wrestling match, and we went to Scranton University. I won my first match
Wait a minute.
versus Scranton. And second match, I won that too after being down 14-6, 17-14, and that's good because that's a seed over in the natty in the NJCAA national qualifier, whatever shit. So yeah.
How if I got a dick for you to pipe down?
Okay, what did you do? What did you do
I spent
today?
$1,000 in a day. I take an hour and fuck a bitch.
worked.
Oh God for me.
Oh.
In your eyes.
We should do a video speaking Spanish for 24 hours.
What?
Because that's gonna be that's an actual challenge. But we should do it with Mommy and Daddy. Because that's the only way I can really get to actually.
Guys, Mexico 2026.
Oh yes.
Miami and DR 2026. I'm out. I'm out, man. Let's go, man. Sorry, Papa, go.
So we're gonna go to Mexico and Honduras and
I don't know where.
I don't know where else, but somewhere else. And then
I'm going to Hawaii this summer, I think,
We all out
or
this summer,
Italy,
man.
or somewhere else.
I'm going to Florida.
Florida.
No. I'm going to Miami, bro. Chill.
Bro, can't speak.
Miami, bro. We out of Miami, man.
Actually, we're going to.
What was that?
Oh my God, it's my cookies, dude. Y'all are so.
No, it's fine. We're actually going to Miami.
I need to get up.
Because
I'm getting too
Wait,
claustrophobic.
when?
July.
Oh, okay.
Yo,
going
she
to-
grew.
Because we're going on a
I don't want to
cruise.
get yelled at.
Wait, I'm going on a cruise.
I got you, Chad.
Oh,
I'm going on a cruise too.
Wait, no.
this
You
is.
said you got
Do you want me to get you?
I got it.
Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god.
Let's go. All right. Here, hold.
I wanted to do it.
Hold.
Yo, you're gonna throw me. You're gonna throw me.
I just took a really aesthetic picture of you guys.
Bro.
That's so aesthetic.
Chad, I'm scared.
Thanks.
Oh. This is what I hit him with. A single leg.
Guys, this is how you
Like
hit
this.
them, okay?
No.
Down there.
I fear you actually hit him.
And that's how you win a fight, guys.
I need to go like this.
What if you're with a girl?
It will still hurt.
Yeah,
2-finger Punisher.
No. I won't do it. It's exclusive content.
Okay,
2-finger Punisher, man.
so let's do a little haul of what you need. Okay, let's do a haul of what we got. Okay, I got you. I got you.
Okay, so we got water because everybody going crazy over the water.
We're not surviving this.
We're not surviving.
Yeah, guys, it's gonna be.
We have no tent.
It's gonna be
No,
a foot
nothing.
of snow.
And then we
the
have
deer who
these
can
two.
barely stand on their own. So how's she gonna survive?
Okay, I made it. Yeah, I made it.
We got the Valentine's sugar cookies.
First I made you who you are, and then I
This?
made it.
Bro, this was so good
Yeah.
when I was little.
Stop!
Take
Calling your
Are you gonna
music.
stop?
Okay, I'll
Are you gonna
stop.
stop?
Can we get through the haul?
Are you gonna stop?
See, he's.
Okay, let's go, guys.
Yadi, get your boyfriend. Get your husband.
Are you gonna stop?
He doesn't even listen to me,
I'll
guys.
stop.
Okay, let's just
I'll
really.
stop.
You're not gonna stop.
Can you guys act the fool for it?
I'm not sure. Does he say mamas? He's like, chill, mamas.
Do you have music in your ear?
I took it away.
He be walking away to like Hispanic Latino, he like chill.
Okay, let's get through this.
Mamas.
Guys, that was very embarrassing because
Mamas, chill, mamas.
I walked out of the section and I literally have the camera and then it's just him and then he's just there, like just smiling. I got scared.
Mamas.
Can we do this after we pay for all this stuff?
We pay.
Well, the cookies and the cereal are mine. You guys got the rest. And then you.
Okay.
Friends.
We got cookies.
Oh my god.
We're gonna get counted.
Bro, somebody pick it up, bro.
We got cookies.
That's not yours. Though.
We got cookies. We got Fruity Pebbles.
Fruity Pebbles was.
We got Sour Patch.
Yo, bro, what the hell is this, bro?
We got Faded Skates.
Let me read a page from the book real quick.
Okay. Go in the middle. The middle's usually the best part.
Wait.
We got
Orange tangerines.
Oh
Wow.
my. Angie, they're supposed to go the opposite way of each other.
I laughed, my baby.
Alright,
What?
put the book down.
And we got water.
Chill, mamas.
Oh, in the water, yeah.
And that's really all you need for a snowstorm for real. Now we're gonna go check out.
And we'll see you guys.
We'll see you guys back when we
get
finish checking out.
home. Or in the car.
I see you guys back when you guys checking out, man. You already know how the video go, man. See you guys in the car, man.
Guys, we made it to bowling. We're being spontaneous. Okay, so I think I'm gonna lose because I'm kind of bad at bowling. What do you think?
What? If you're gonna win. I think I'm gonna win or get like second place.
What about you?
I don't know. I'm very bad at bowling.
Yeah, I'm terrible.
I'm talking about like.
kind of good. I'm definitely not getting last. I think me and Morris are gonna win.
That's good.
Morris, what do you think? Do you think you're gonna win?
I'm going to crash these things. I'm going to go crazy.